Bear Spray Kydex pouches. Stick around. Alright guys, welcome back to Three River Kydex. If you are interested in a Kydex bear spray pouch, all you have to do is go to threeriverkydex.com. Click on that link. I have them in different colors, so if you want something in hunter orange, maybe brown, maybe green, maybe tan, I have all that stuff available for you. The only difference other than the color is how you affix it to your belt or pouch. So I do have Tech Lock, which seems to be the norm. They cost about 50 bucks, completely configured with the Tech Lock. And if you wanted something in a Molly configuration, I could do that as well. I like the Tech Lock because it's very easy to put on a pack or on your belt. And again, in and out is really simple. It's just a friction fit. I will warn you guys though that this is the 7.9 ounce. So I don't know if you could see that right there, but that is the 7.9 ounce. Make sure you get the 7.9 ounce canister of bear spray. That's the only one that's going to fit inside here. You can get them on Amazon. I will put them on the link as well down in the description box. You will have to be aware that this paper wrapper or paper sticker will start to fray. And again, if you're using this type of Kydex holster and water gets in there and it starts to fray, you might want to strip it out. I do have one here that's completely stripped out, as you can see. It will take a little time, but all I did was a little WD-40, stripped all the stuff off. I know it's bear canister spray and it's always going to be in that pouch, but this is without the sticker, this is with the sticker. Again, this sticker will come off at some point. I tried to make the holsters fit. Nice little friction fit, so it will not come out even if it's upside down, and then all you gotta do is pull it out, take the tab off and use it. I built these for myself because I was doing a lot of hiking and hunting in the woods, and a lot of times these canisters come with the really cheap elastic stuff, and it's really garbage and it's no good, so I just got rid of that and I made my own. So if you're interested in that, please go to Three River Kydex. I'm going to roll the footage on how I made that, and I'll get back to you in a second. Alright guys, thank you very much. I hope you appreciated that video. If you are interested in any of these holsters, these Kydex holsters, please go to 3riverkydex.com. Another way that you can support this channel is to become a Patreon member. Please like, subscribe, share, add some comments down below. If you have one of my Kydex holster pouches, please let me know. I like to see how it works in the field. This is mine, this is orange. And I guess a lot of people wanted to be a little bit more subdued or a little bit more camo, so I got that. Also, I do have textured, so if you wanted it in like a multicam or maybe mossy oak or something like that, I could probably make this for mossy oak. It will cost a little bit more money because mossy oak patterning or any type of that patterning would be a little bit more expensive. So, all you guys that are out there in the field, I really appreciate all the support that I'm getting from 3 River Kydex. Please go up there if you're looking for any type of mag pouches, any type of bear spray holders, any type of regular holsters for pistols. I have all that stuff up there. Also, check out my other channels, 3 River Blades and 3 Rivers Survival. I'm going to put all the links down below in the description box. As always, guys, thank you very much and stay safe.